Michigan. So
Technically, he's standing in. Would you agree? Because he was sitting in and then he stood up.
right.
And have you gentlemen had a chance to go over the report?
You receive it, Your Honor, and find it accurate, we would ask the court to adopt the recommendations. I believe he also reviewed.
I think
All right. Let me see what we got. Looks like this one missed me. I had a pile of files to go through and looks like this one missed me. Let me look it over real quick. References some inpatient programs in Tennessee. When were those?
I was reading around like 2000.
So not since this incident. Okay. Okay. All right. Ms. Trolley's recommendation number 6 is inpatient treatment or intensive outpatient. You understand that?
Yes.
What do you think of that?
Absolutely. That's help.
All right.
I think of it.
All right. You're currently working at Wayne Industries? What kind of time off they going to give you? If you go to an inpatient program, you'll lose your job?
But sometimes I can talk to them.
I'm going to suggest that that's not a job that's worth saving.
My health. True.
Well, it's not a $30 an hour job, right? You can do that at Wendy's or Burger King, $16 an hour, right? So, I mean, my point is, you can replace that job. Now, I don't know what your financial situation is. Maybe, going inpatient somewhere means you can't pay your rent, you get kicked out, and, your car note doesn't get paid, and, so you get sober, but you come out and you got nothing. I don't know what your situation is. But I'm looking at a guy that's got 2 drinking and driving charges going back to 18. Right?
Yes.
Your drinking has cost you lots already. Am I right? So what I'm looking at, to me, the situation looks like, okay, it's either you rip the Band-Aid off and fix the problem now, or you keep, the death of 1,000 cuts. You keep in your substance abuse, and it keeps costing you, and it costs you here, and it costs you there, and it costs you there, versus take the big hit now maybe and deal with it. Does that make sense? Okay. So I'm not going to order you go inpatient. I'm going to order intensive outpatient or inpatient. What I'm going to suggest is we do a substance abuse evaluation. Was that ordered? I think just treatment was ordered. Yeah. So I'm going to suggest what we do is we do a substance abuse evaluation, and then you and Ms. Tiroli can have some conversation about what the experts think is your best path towards sobriety. Okay. And then we'll craft the probation order to fit that substance abuse evaluation. Does that make sense to you?
It does.
Understand though, if the evaluation comes back that this guy needs inpatient, then I'm going to tell you got to do inpatient. All right. So you weren't in here. I put people on probation to change their behavior. I don't want you to have a 4th drinking and driving.
I agree for myself.
Okay. All right. So anything else from either one of you before I sentence on these?
Nothing wrong.
Mr. Cleveland, anything else?
No, sir.
All right, so I'm gonna adopt in full the recommendations that you went over with Mr. Bowditch, items 1 through 11. I'm gonna put you on, you get two charges, the impaired driving and the no valid operators. You're on probation on both. You violate on one file, or one count, you violate on the other count. The only thing that is different is I'm gonna charge you a certain amount of money on one and a certain amount of money on the other one. All right? Which I'll get to right now. So you're on probation for 12 months. On the impaired driving charge, the fines and costs are $1,500. On the no valid operator's license, the fines and costs are $350. I'm going to send you downstairs to talk about payment options on those. Money is the least of my concerns. Okay, if you're doing everything else I want you to do, if you're doing the treatment that the evaluation leads to, if you're doing everything else I'm telling you to do, then the money, I'll work with you forever. I mean, I don't listen to this, Vanessa. I don't care if you're on payments until you're 45. I don't care. Okay, we'll work with you. We'll come up with some other options to close the file out or whatever. So get something set up so you can start making some payments, but don't worry about the money. Worry about everything else first. Does that make sense? Okay. Any questions?
I just understand the problem.
Good. I wish you luck. All right. She's your new best friend. She's going to help you get through probation without problems, but only if you talk to her. And if you got problems, you got to let her know while they're little problems so we can fix them without coming to see me again.
I understand.
All right.
Open up, speak with.
If you're willing to do what she's telling you to do, you're going to get through this. All right. Good luck.
Thank you, Ron.
You're welcome. Oh, you owe us money on some other stuff too. A no proof of insurance from 2016.
450,000.
Yeah, 438. So when you go downstairs to talk about payments on these, just do some kind of global payment plan or whatever. All right. Good luck. You're welcome.
Sorry, he's soon get another.
Stand is in Norway.
Seen that I think he's new.
I'm here and ready. Looks like a nice day. Sunshine. Do you have any luck with Shannon? about our name change idea?
Option her, and we're probably gonna set up, if it's okay with you, after next week, because I'll be gone all next week for the conference to set up. So probably that last week of the month.
Yeah. Yeah, good, awesome.
And then, yeah, she's gonna be on tomorrow.
Good. Who's graduating tomorrow? Stafford, who else?
And Myra.
Good. What are you calling me for? You know I'm working.
So lucky day.
Our lucky day?
Yeah.
Not, if you got your tag on, that don't do anything for me.
Get it done. That's why I got my coat set up.
Why is it our lucky day?
We got the tires. 300.
Awesome. Any trailers? We got scouted out.
Well, last thing.
Okay. Yeah, let's figure out when we can go in.
Why not?
I don't know. I gotta look at my calendar. All right, I am ready for Mr. Mohammed. Appearance, please.
Judge John Graziani, appearing on behalf of Mr. Mohammed, but I really don't know much of his background, so I just like the other gentleman that we had.
Yep.
I don't want to flunk through the press.
Yeah.
Can you please state your name?
Thank you. All right, let me tell you what we got. February 14, 2026 was the incident date. It was a drove while license suspended, pled down to an allow unlicensed driver to operate. Sentence was $500 and 4 days on the work program. Let's see. Missed April 22nd and April 28 on the work program. And he currently owes us $720. So there must have been another file involved too. That sound right? 720? All right. Are you working, sir? Where do you work? Okay. Where's it at?
Slam,
What's the restaurant?
Casablanca.
Casablanca? Where you at?
Where I live,
No, where's the restaurant at?
it's on Washington.
Okay. I don't think I've ever had Moroccan food.
Yes.
Give me an idea. Give me an idea what's the signature dish at Casablanca?
The most popular dish I'd say is the sweet lamb tagine. Oh, it's cooked.
Well, you got me with lamb, so tell me more.
We caramelize the lamb with raisins, sweet potatoes, and honey, and it's a piece of lamb shank.
Okay.
So it's equivalent to Mediterranean?
That's good.
Yeah, close, yeah.
It's French and Spanish influence.
Yeah. So what do you serve the lamb shank with?
Then you get a side of rice, fries, super salad. What would you like?
Okay.
Sounds like you're trying to order good stuff. I like that.
Casablanca, that's the.
I like that name.
Yeah. It's one place I want to go just because of the movie. Right?
That's why we think the gospel.
Yeah.
Salads equivalent to like tabbouleh, fettuccine salad.
We got all that. We got cucumber salad, tomato salad, tea. Greek
I
salad.
always like trying new cuisines.
You're gonna have to talk Harvard.
Yeah. Do you cater?
Yes.
Really? Would you cater here?
As long as you guys have your
Card? As long as we got what?
Yeah, you just messed that up.
Oh, do you have a card?
No, I'm not on.
Okay.
What you consider yourself on?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Tell Carly.
Okay.
Yeah. I might have to make a scouting trip though before we cater. Yeah. Okay. Back to business. So what's the deal? You haven't paid us or done today? Work days.
I work also midnights as well with my brother-in-law. I help him out.
What's he do?
Construction.
Okay. Where's he working construction midnights? What's he doing?
He does his own projects. So,
Yeah, but he's not roughing in houses at midnight. So what kind of stuff's he do?
well, no, it's not rough. It's like we move stuff around, go get stuff from like Home Depot, drop them off. We'll move stuff.
Oh, so you're just prepping for the next day's work. Gotcha. Go ahead.
In the mornings, I also help all my regular stuff like that. He does HVAC as well.
Okay.
So pretty busy schedule.
Okay.
So the couple of days that I missed work program, the first day actually I slept outside the courthouse. I
Okay.
was here at like 6 a.m. and then I fell asleep. And just to like be here on time, and then I just slept.
Okay.
So, 8 o'clock, walked in and said the bus already left.
Okay.
The second time I came in, I just saw Sandy in my room.
All right. So you're working a lot, but you're not paying us the court costs. So what's going on with the money?
Yeah, I mean, right now, money is a little bit of a struggle. I like to make my own money, so like, really, the money that I make at the restaurant, it's for the support of the family.
Okay.
the money, the extra money that I make on the side, it's not a lot.
Okay,
Unfortunately, when I got pulled over, I was door dashing. And that's the reason why I got that. I was actually door dashing to pay off like my insurance and my registration.
Okay.
Yeah.
your license still suspended?
Oh,
You're legal? Okay, all right. Well, I like the fact that you work so hard, so let's do this. I'll give you a chance, I won't give you a punishment day. Get the 2 days, schedule, no more issues. If you miss another day on the work program, then you're gonna do the jail time because work program's an alternative to jail. So pick the 2 days before you leave, but those 2 days, you gotta show up and do it, right? Money, let's get you on some kind of regular payment plan. Weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, I don't care what. Oh, you don't want me to do this anymore though.
No.
Okay.
you need to spend enough.
So I'm gonna send you downstairs, set up a payment plan on that $720. Some kind of regular payments, but once again, don't miss the payments. So if you think you can do $100 a month, set it up for $75 a month and pay the 100 when you can, but give yourself some wiggle room so you don't miss a payment. Okay? You got all that? Plan moving forward? All right, I'm gonna make arrangements. I'm gonna come out and,
He, this payment was due on the 8th. He did not,
oh, he's got a payment plan?
he didn't make it, so they're not gonna set him up on a new one without any payment.
Okay,
So I called the court and I asked them because of the 13th, because I missed my work program, they said everything will be delayed until my court date. I
okay.
asked them, should I make my?
So are you in a position to pay some money today?
Yeah.
Oh,
Then just, you'll get set up on a new payment plan. All right. All right, good luck.
Thank you. Look forward to seeing you guys up there tomorrow.
Judge Norway, the affiliate wants to know that you do this and they can know when she earlier mentioned it.
Yeah, I thought it was, because I saw you, I looked up the city, I'd never heard of it. What do you got?
Your Honor, the sentencing for Miss Bechtel.
Got it, come on up.
Hey, Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowers, 41367, turning on the outlook and putting Miss Bechtel is.
Judge, is that all ours?
What is,
Yes.
I don't understand. No. One file.
Yeah, this is his file.
I was like, what is, we're really need to talk about.
All right, so Mr. Smith is here on a February 4, 2026, failed to display valid license that started out as a drove while license suspended. On April 16th, he was sentenced to $500 fines and costs and 4 days on the work program. And you're on a payment plan now, sir? All right. All right, looks like, did you make your May payment? Okay, can you do that today? All right, go ahead, Mr. Graziani.
Judge, for continuance, Mr. Smith said, particularly for one of the court work programs, that there was a mix-up. I was not aware of the mix-up. In fact, he was not even on my list, but again, then one was gentleman falling through the cracks, but there's a number of people who haven't even shown up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go ahead, explain what happened.
Originally when I was scheduled with April 16th,
Over here.
when I was originally scheduled April 16th for my previous court date, I showed up and you guys told me to go to probation. Cashier, with the cashier made a payment plan. I got that squared away. I missed my first payment. That was my apologies. I'm able to make payment today. Filed with the probation. They said 4 work days. I said I can do Saturdays. So my first Saturday was, I believe, April 26th or 25th or something like that. So I showed up on time, and regarding the paperwork that was given to me, that did not show any phone numbers, any person to contact. But I did go to the front door and try to make sure it was locked where I'm on, but it's Saturday, so it was closed, it was locked. I'm not, like, I've never been to back and forth. But
Okay, you pull on the front door? Do you know our doors don't have handles? I'm curious what you pulled on. They're sliding doors, they don't pull. There's no handle to even grab. You stand there and the door slides and you walk in. There's nothing to grab if you want to.
I went to the front door.
What time?
So 8 o'clock.
Okay. Okay.
Another guy. That was waiting. I guess it was his first time at Doyle. Nothing was mine. 15 minutes go by. A landscaping company, they showed up or whatever, and The other guy, yeah, got out of his car, asked for more information to those guys. They said, go to back of court. So he went to back court, just sitting there like, without me. So I went to back court as well. And there's another lady, she there as well. She done it before and stuff like that, but she was late. She was telling us how it goes, and they already left already.
Mhm.
So I didn't know if we like where the meetup location was at, besides going to the court, but where at court, I didn't know. It wasn't told to me. It's my first time.
And you didn't see the sign on the front door that said, go to the back of the building? Okay,
They go get massage.
okay,
I do know on a piece of paper it said, report to probation, counter, get check in. And I know that's inside the court, so I can't get inside the court if the doors are locked.
okay. Okay, but you didn't see the sign on the door that said, go to the back of the building? Okay. All right, where do you work?
I work 2 jobs. One new job is steel blind.
Target still, right?
Yes, sir.
Who?
Steel blind.
What's the name of it?
Target middle.
Where are they at? Where?
Software.
Huh, never heard of them.
It's a pretty big operation.
It's like right off of 275.
Yeah, I know where South Huron is. Yeah.
Like
Are they east of the expressway?
if you come off the exit of Software Road, Burger King is the number where.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so it's by Bros, the big lighting place. Okay, all right, what's your second job? Okay, all right. All right, so I'm not gonna give you any penalty days, but I'm not gonna give you any Saturday schedule. So you can schedule 4 days on the work program, pick whatever days you want, but you're not getting any more Saturdays, because those are pretty. All right,
A couple months out.
I can give you till the end of June. Yeah, to schedule 4 days.
Can you do it? Yes or no?
It's an alternative to jail. So, I mean, that's the other option.
Do Saturdays.
No. Everybody wants Saturdays, and everybody that gets Saturdays is told if you miss a Saturday, you don't get Saturdays.
I didn't miss it.
You did miss a Saturday. If you would have read the sign on the door that you supposedly pulled on the handle that doesn't exist, you would have seen it said, go to the back of the court and report there.
Well, for someone's first time,
Life's a bitch and then you die. It's 4 days work program as an alternative to jail. Your 4 days are now Monday through Friday.
only thing with that,
I don't care what the thing is. It's work. You can pick jail. B, you can pick work program. That's the options.
so what about paper blind?
Different issue. You set that up downstairs. It's time and money, 2 different issues. So what do you want to do for the time? You want to do the jail or the work program? All right, go on, pick 4 days. Good luck.
Thank you, John.
You're welcome.
I'll do that. Bye-bye.